friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. And today's video was part of Cause Creation's Patreon group September challenge. So the challenge was to do a landscape, and part of it had to be flip cup and part of it had to be swiped. And from that, there were no other limitations. So this is a piece that is probably my new favorite. I am absolutely in love with this. So let's just get down to the table. We'll pour some paint. And if you have any questions, please put it in the drop down below. Thank you for being here. Here we are with the color lineup, and I do have quite a few colors. So for the ocean part, I have drips that were saved from other pours. I have Venetian blue from Modern Masters. I have a mix of Payne's gray and Amsterdam bluish green. I have Amsterdam bluish green. This is Modern Masters platinum with a dab of the bluish green. And then for my sky colors, I have from Folk Art Antique Copper. I have Burnt Orange from Golden. I need to probably thin that one down just a little bit. I have Fire Opal, also from Folk Art. Then I have some white. I believe this is Artist Loft white, and then I added a dab of Deco Art satin enamel to it. I have Blue Violet Deep from Amsterdam, Pale Gold from Modern Masters, and then for my cell activators that I'm going to be swiping with, I have Copper, Iridescent Copper from Golden, and then I have Titanium White from Amsterdam. Both of these are mixed with Amsterdam Pouring Medium, and then I have tools to swipe with. I have various palette knives here, and I have paper towels that are ready to cut up that I can use also. Here we are. I have a 30 by 40 inch canvas, and the idea is that this landscape is going to be a perspective piece. So it's going to be like you're viewing it from over here looking this way. So it's going to be sunset and water. And I'm going to do the water first, and I just have this here to kind of keep my place. I am going to remove it and do both sides at the same time. So I'm not going to like wait for it to dry or anything. It's just to help me keep the proportions that I want to keep for this. So I've added cadmium yellow to the sunset. I decided I needed just a little more of something bright. And I've transferred all of my colors into these little brown cups to make it easier to control where I'm pouring them. I am skipping over my water part here because I ended up completely redoing that part. So we're just going to start with the sunset part, and then later in the video you'll see me do the water part. And then I also just wanted to talk about my method here a little bit. I'm working on these pieces for quite a long time, so I'm only putting down part of the paint at the time so that I can work on that area and then I move on. Otherwise, everything starts to dry a little bit too much and I can't work the piece as much as I want to. If it was a smaller piece, I could lay down all of the paint at once, but with these big pieces, you know, I worked on this sunset part. The video was about an hour and 45 minutes to give you an idea of how much time I'm actually spending here. So I'm speeding up a lot. I am cutting a little bit out because I don't want this to be a crazy long video.
Watching you about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
Okay, so this is dry. I absolutely love this part. I like this part. I don't love this part. So I'm gonna do something I don't usually do, and I'm gonna take this off, and it will create a straight horizon, which I don't generally love, but it will allow me to redo the water part. So I'm just gonna go with that.
Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free, be free, be free with me. I'm a long, long way from home. It's a long, long road I'm on, and the angels hear me cry. They sing me a lullaby, a lullaby. There's a picture in my hand of a faded smiling man, and the angels see me cry. They sing me a lullaby, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set me free. I've been strong so long. See me moving on to a place I've known so long, and the angels see me try. They sing me a lullaby, yeah, they sing me a lullaby.
are with the final walkthrough. Guys, I can't tell you how happy I am with this. I think this might be my new favorite. The composition, I'm just super happy with. I love all the little effects. I'm glad I redid the ocean. Some of these areas of the sunset are just, oh my God. I can't even tell you how happy I am. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the drop box below. I'm always happy to help. And yeah, let me know if you'd like to see more of these, because I am really happy with this. Until next time, I hope you have a beautiful day.